Hello, cosmic voyagers. I'm Professor Sterling, and tonight we're embarking on the ultimate journey to the very end of everything. Have you ever wondered how the universe ends? Does it go out with a bang or a whimper? We'll explore 5 mind-bending, science-based scenarios. Media Group. Animated graphic showing 5 icons for each scenario. Infographic with universe-ending scenarios. Stock. Distribute Nash equally. The Big Freeze, the Big Crunch, the Big Rip, Vacuum Decay, and the Big Bounce. These are stories written in the language of physics, challenging our understanding of existence. We'll translate the complex mathematics of cosmology into stories you can almost see. So, set aside your earthly concerns and let your imagination soar across trillions of years. The end is just the beginning of our story. Our first stop is the most widely accepted scenario, the Big Freeze, or heat death, a vision of the universe's end that is both haunting and profound. The universe is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy. Trillions of years from now, galaxies beyond our own will vanish from view, their light stretched so far by expansion that it becomes undetectable, lost to the darkness forever. Our galaxy, Milkomeda, the future merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda, will be an island in a vast, empty ocean of nothingness. Stars will burn out one by one, becoming white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes, slowly cooling embers in the endless darkness, with no new stars to take their place. The second law of thermodynamics rules. Entropy always increases, and energy spreads out, making the universe more disordered with every passing eon. Eventually, all usable energy is gone. No new stars, no warmth, no life, just a cold, silent cosmos. The universe becomes a cold, featureless soup of subatomic particles, drifting in a void just above absolute zero, where even the faintest spark of heat is rare. Even protons may decay, dissolving all matter into a sea of photons and leptons, erasing the last traces of structure and form. Black holes, the last cosmic giants, will evaporate through Hawking radiation, vanishing in faint flashes that mark the universe's final fireworks. What remains? A near-perfect vacuum, scattered with a few lonely particles, drifting endlessly through the infinite dark. No more change, no more story. Time itself may lose meaning, as nothing happens to mark its passage. The Big Freeze is a quiet, chilling end. The universe fades into eternal stillness, a cosmic silence that will never be broken. All the complexity and beauty that emerged over billions of years simply disappears, leaving behind only memories written in the fabric of space-time. But don't despair. This is only one possible future, and the universe may yet surprise us. The fate of the cosmos depends on forces we're only beginning to understand and mysteries that challenge our imagination. Our next scenario is a dramatic reversal, the universe collapsing in on itself, rewriting the story of everything. Imagine a cosmic tug-of-war between expansion and gravity, each struggling for ultimate control. If gravity wins, the universe's expansion halts and reverses, pulling everything back together. Galaxies rush together, the night sky grows brighter, and the universe heats up in a final spectacular blaze. In the final moments, everything collapses into a singularity, a hot, dense point, just like the beginning, but now the end. Space and time as we know them cease to exist, erased in the ultimate cosmic finale. The universe ends as it began, in a fiery, symmetric collapse, a mirror image of its birth. But is this truly the end, or the seed for something new? Could another universe be born from the ashes of the old? Before we answer, let's consider a fate even more violent, one that could tear the very fabric of reality apart. What if the universe's expansion stops and reverses? This is the Big Crunch. Gravity overcomes expansion, pulling everything back together. Galaxies collide, the sky brightens, and temperatures soar. Stars and planets are destroyed as the universe contracts. In the final instant, all matter and energy collapse into a singularity. Space and time end, mirroring the universe's birth. Is this the final curtain, or could it spark a new beginning? But there's an even more dramatic possibility. The universe torn apart by its own expansion. Now, the most violent ending. The Big Rip. Dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating expansion, grows stronger over time, pushing galaxies further apart. If it becomes phantom energy, its repulsive power increases without limit, leading to catastrophic consequences. First, galaxy clusters are torn apart, drifting away from each other into the vast emptiness. Then, individual galaxies unravel, stars flung into the void, lost forever in the darkness. Solar systems are ripped apart. Planets lose their stars, drifting aimlessly through space. In the final minutes, stars and planets themselves are shredded, breaking into countless fragments. The very ground beneath you disintegrates, crumbling into nothingness. Seconds before the end, molecules and atoms are ripped apart, their bonds broken. Even protons and neutrons are destroyed, quarks torn free, scattering into the void. Finally, space-time itself is ripped asunder, unraveling the very fabric of reality. Every particle is infinitely far from every other. The universe dissolves into chaos, a state of complete disorder. The Big Rip is total annihilation, from the largest structures to the smallest, leaving nothing intact. It all depends on the true nature of dark energy, a cosmic mystery still unsolved, shrouded in enigma. Is dark energy constant, or a growing menace? The answer could decide our fate, determining the ultimate destiny of the cosmos. But there's a stranger possibility. The universe could end in an instant, without warning, in a flash of cosmic upheaval. Enter the realm of quantum uncertainty, where the rules of physics are unpredictable. Imagine the universe as a ball in a valley, not at the lowest point, but in a false vacuum, teetering on the edge. If it tunnels to a lower state, a bubble of new physics forms and expands at light speed, altering everything in its path. Inside, the laws of physics change. Matter, chemistry, even atoms may not survive, transforming the very essence of existence. No warning, no escape. Reality itself is rewritten, erasing everything we know. This is vacuum decay, the ultimate cosmic reboot, resetting the universe to a new state. But could the end also be a new beginning? A rebirth from the ashes of the old universe. Vacuum decay is perhaps the strangest fate that could await our universe, a scenario both fascinating and terrifying in its implications. Our universe may not be in its lowest possible energy state, but instead trapped in what physicists call a false vacuum, a precarious plateau in the cosmic landscape. If a rare quantum event triggers a transition, a bubble of true vacuum could suddenly form, expanding outward at the speed of light and rewriting reality as it goes. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics would be utterly different. Matter, atoms, and even the forces we know might simply vanish or transform beyond recognition. There's no warning. Everything we know is instantly rewritten or erased, leaving no trace of our existence or history. The standard model of particle physics suggests this is possible, though the odds are incredibly tiny, almost unimaginably small. It could happen billions of years from now, or perhaps never at all. No one can say for certain. Of all possible endings, this is the most sudden and fundamental. The universe's very operating system is replaced in an instant. Our existence is balanced on the fine-tuned laws of physics, perhaps more precariously than we ever imagined, a delicate equilibrium that could shift at any moment. But what if the end is not truly final? Could there be something beyond the void? What if, against all odds, the universe is reborn in a new form, starting the cosmic story all over again? Enter the Big Bounce, a universe on repeat, cycling through endless beginnings and endings. Imagine a cosmos that collapses, bounces, and begins anew, each cycle birthing new possibilities and realities. Is the end just another beginning? A doorway to a universe yet to be imagined? The Big Bounce suggests the universe is cyclical, endings spark new beginnings. Instead of a singularity, quantum gravity effects cause a collapsing universe to rebound. The Big Bang becomes a bounce, recycling matter and energy into a new cosmos. The cycle could repeat forever: expansion, collapse, bounce, and rebirth. Theories like loop quantum cosmology propose space-time has a minimum size, preventing true singularities. Each universe is a link in an infinite chain, each Big Bang a new act. Could traces of previous universes survive? Some scientists think so. The Big Bounce offers cosmic perpetuity. No final end, just endless renewal. Which fate awaits us? Freeze, crunch, rip, decay, or bounce? The answer lies in the mysteries of dark energy and quantum gravity. For now, we can only wonder and keep searching. Our universe's story is still unfolding. Let's cherish our moment in the cosmic spotlight. 5 possible destinies, each more awe-inspiring than the last. These aren't just theories, they're the logical conclusions of our best science. They remind us how fleeting and precious our moment is. Thinking about the end gives us perspective and a sense of wonder. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself and to imagine its own finale. Which ending fascinates or terrifies you most? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the end of time. Keep looking up.